In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a ByBit card. Now, in case you don't know, a ByBit card is just like your normal credit card or debit card, but in this case, you can use it to spend your crypto. So if you want to use your crypto for your normal expenses, then just go ahead and follow the steps I'll be showing you in this video and create a ByBit card, and you can go ahead and use that card for some of your expenses. Also, I'll be showing you how you can use the card, and at the end of this video, I'll be talking about a ByBit card campaign where you can get up to $300 bonus. So I'll be showing you in this video. And by the way, for you to qualify for this $300 bonus, you need to create an account with the link in the description below, or you check the link in the pinned comment of this video. So in case you don't have a ByBit account, just go ahead and use that link in the description below or in the pinned comment and create a ByBit account. And then once you've created the account, just come here and follow the steps I'll be showing you right now. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is the home page of the ByBit app, and to go ahead and create your ByBit card, just go ahead and click on where the arrow is pointing to, where you have more, and it will bring you right here to this page. Now, once you get here, you click on finance right here, and then you see where you have card, where your arrow is pointing to, just click on it, and then it will bring you to the ByBit card page. Now, as you can see on the screen, it says live the crypto life with ByBit card. Start exploring your exclusive benefit with the ByBit card today. And then at the bottom right there, you see where it says selected users only, 10% cashback. And I see where it says spend your ByBit card to earn 10% cashback up to $300. I'll be talking about this later in this video, so make sure you keep watching. And by the way, if you have not liked this video, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, if you scroll down again, you see where it says use your crypto or fiat to pay anytime, anywhere. Choose to pay using your crypto or fiat balance, and the fiat currency that you can use is USD, and the supported currencies include BTC, ETH, XRP, TON, USDT, USDC, MNT, and BNB, with more options on the way. So these are the cryptocurrencies that you can use to make payments through the ByBit card, and the only fiat currency that is supported right here is USD. So if you have USD, don't bother. Just make sure that you have any of these cryptocurrencies I've talked about, and you can make payment using the ByBit card. Now, if you scroll down, you see where it says 100% rebate on selected partners. Now, this is another advantage you get when you use the ByBit card. Now, 100% rebate means that you get 100% refund after making payment for these services. And you can see the selected partners are Netflix, Spotify, Prime, ChatGPT, and TradingView. So that is another advantage of using the ByBit card. Now, if you scroll down again, you will see where it says earn between 2% and 10% cashback on your everyday expenses. What this means is that if you are using your ByBit card for your everyday expenses, for every transaction you make, you'll be getting between 2% to 10% cashback. So let's say, for example, you are getting 10% cashback, and then maybe you use your ByBit card to pay for something that is worth $100. That means that you'll be getting $10 back into your wallet. That means that you are just spending $90 for that expense. I hope you understand. So that's the meaning of cashback. So that's another advantage of using this ByBit card. And then if you scroll down again, you will see where it says unlock more exciting features. The first one right here says go virtual and spend instantly. The second one says earn up to 8% APR on your idle funds. This means that if you are using the ByBit card, any idle funds you have on that card, you'll be getting interest on it. So that's another advantage. And then you get free card issuance and no annual fee. That means that they'll be giving you the card for free. You're not paying to get the card, and there is no annual fee. So it's not like every other card out there that you'll be paying an annual fee because you are using that card. And then you see right here where it says we've got your first 100 USD free every month, every single time. So for every $100 you spend, you are getting it free every month. And then for this one is only for VIPs only. So if you're a ByBit VIP member, that means you'll be getting free worldwide delivery of your ByBit card. I hope you understand. And then if you scroll down again, you will see where it says start your crypto live just minutes after application. So step one is to create a ByBit account in just a few minutes. Like I said, if you have a ByBit account, use the link in the description of this video to create an account so that you can qualify for the $300 bonus, which I'll be talking about later in this video, or you check the link in the pinned comment of this video. Now, step 2 is to verify your personal details and your proof of address. And step 3 is that once approved, you start using your virtual ByBit card immediately. And then if you keep scrolling down, you see where you have the frequently asked questions. That's the FAQ. And the first question right here says, who can apply for the ByBit card? So you see, to complete identity verification level 2 during your ByBit card application, you must provide a proof of address and a proof of identity from eligible countries issued within the last 3 months. So this means that before you can apply for the ByBit card, you must have completed your level 2 verification and your proof of address. So that means that they will ask you for your address so that they can confirm your identity. So that's the meaning. Now the second question says, how can I check my ByBit card application status? Now to check the status of your application, visit the card application page on ByBit website. Kindly allow up to 7 working days for the ByBit card team to review your application. I'll actually be showing you how to check the status right here, but note that it won't take up to 7 days. Like I said, it will take just 5 minutes. Just make sure you keep watching what I'll be showing you in this video. It will take you just 5 minutes for you to get your card approved. It won't take 7 days. Now the next question is, what are the fees associated with using the ByBit card? Now the first one is the foreign exchange fee, which is just 1% over MasterCard exchange rate. Now the second one is crypto conversion fee, which is just 0.9% on top of spot trading fees. Now the third one is annual fee, which is 0, so it's none. You're not paying any annual fee. The next one is dormancy or inactivity fee, which is 0 too, which is none. You're not paying any inactivity fee. This means that in case you don't use your card for a long time, they won't charge you for anything. And then you have card cancellation fee, which is none. That means that if you decide to cancel your card today, they won't charge you any fee. And then you have the card issuance or replacement fee. Now for virtual ByBit card, it is free. That means if you want to replace your card, it is free for virtual ByBit card. But for the physical ByBit card, you have to pay 5 USDT. Now the next one is the ATM withdrawal fee, which is 2%. So that means that if you want to use your ByBit card at any ATM, you'll be charged 2%. That's the meaning. And then the next question is, can I set the spending limit for my ByBit card? And the answer is no, you can't set the spending limit for your ByBit card. There's a fixed spending limit which are set as follows. The daily limit is 5,000 USD, which means that in a day, the highest amount or the maximum amount you can spend with your ByBit card is $5,000. The monthly limit is 50,000 USD and the annual limit is $250,000. And then the next one is, how do I add funds to my ByBit card? Now, ByBit card does not have a separate wallet balance. It relies on your funding account for spending power. So this means that it is the money that is in your funding account or your funding wallet that will be used for your ByBit card. I hope you understand. So if you want to fund your ByBit card, just deposit money or transfer money to your funding wallet. It's as simple as that. And then the last question is, which currencies can I use with the ByBit card? The fiat currency you can use is USD, like I said earlier. So if you have USD, that is dollars, you can use it on your ByBit card. And for the cryptocurrencies, you have BTC, ETH, XRP, USDT, and USDC. These are the cryptocurrencies you can use with the ByBit card. So now that you know everything you need to know about the ByBit card, the next thing is to go ahead and apply for the card. Now for you to start applying for the card, now first click on the top right corner of the screen where the arrow is pointing to. Now once you click on it, select your region. Now you see where you have global, Australia, Argentina, and Brazil. Now if you are not from Australia, Argentina, and Brazil, just select global right there. So that means you are from Nigeria or Africa, just select global. And then click on select at the bottom side of the screen. So once you've done that, at the bottom side of the screen, just click on apply or click on view my application. Anyone you see out of the two, just click on it at the bottom side of the screen where the arrow is pointing to. So once you do that, it will bring you to this page right here where you fill in your details. Now they will ask you for your address information. So you have to enter your country, your address, your street, your building number, your apartment number, your city, your province, your postal code. All of these things are to confirm your identity and also so that they can deliver your card just in case you apply for the physical card. I hope you understand. So that's why they're asking you for your address information. So make sure you fill in all of the details correctly right here. And then once you are done filling these details, just click on confirm at the bottom side of the screen. Now on the next page, they will ask you for some additional information. And the first one is, what will you use ByBit for? Now if you click on it, there's different options. The first one is investing or long-term holding. The second one is trading on ByBit, and the third one is fiat gateway and ByBit card. So for me, I trade on ByBit, so I selected trading on ByBit. Now the second option is, what's your employment status? So for me, I selected self-employed, and then it will ask you what's your source of income, and I selected self-employed income. And lastly, they will ask you for your annual income. So once you've entered all of these details, just click on next at the bottom side of the screen. So once you've done that, the next thing is to confirm your mobile number, that is your phone number, and your email address. Then when you have this referral code, just click on it and enter the referral code that is showing on your screen right now. Make sure you enter this referral code because it will be important for you to get the 300 bonus I'll be talking about later in this video. So enter this referral code on the screen right here. So once you've done that, just come right here to the bottom side of the screen and tick these two boxes and then click on submit. And as you can see on the screen, it says your virtual card application is under review. So that means that they are reviewing your application. So just wait for some minutes and you will get a response.
A few moments later.
Now, as you can see on the screen, in less than 5 minutes, my card application has been approved. So you can see where it says, congratulations, your ByBit card application has been approved. So let's go back to the ByBit page to see the ByBit card and how to use it. Now, back to the ByBit homepage. But before I go ahead and show you the ByBit card, let me show you how you can add that ByBit card icon to the homepage right here. So you can just click on it from the homepage and go straight to the ByBit card page. Now, for you to do that, you click on where you have more, where the arrow is pointing to, and then you click on edit, where the arrow is pointing to again, and then you go ahead and look for where you have finance, click on it, and then click on card. And then if you go back to your home page, you see that you have card right here on the home page. And then henceforth, once you go to the home page of the app, just click on that card and it will take you to the ByBit card page. So I'll come right here and click on the card at the home page right here. So once you click on it, this is the ByBit card page. And at the bottom side of the screen, you'll see view my ByBit card. So I'll click on it. And then right here on the screen is the ByBit card page. Now, if in case you want to see your ByBit card details, just scroll down at the top. You can see where you have this arrow, just scroll down on it. And then to show you your ByBit card details. So you can see your card number, the expiry date, and so on. So this is where you can see all the details of your card. So I'll click on this arrow again so that it can go back up. Now the next thing you will see is your available balance. So you can see I have 1000 USD in my ByBit card. This is the amount I have in my funding wallet. Don't forget I said the money in your funding wallet is the money you have in your ByBit card. I hope you understand. So if you want to top up your ByBit card, just add any supported cryptocurrency to your funding wallet. That is all. Now, you see right here it says the fiat currency, I don't have any dollars, but all the assets I have in the card are cryptocurrencies. And if you want to see the different cryptocurrencies you can have in the card, just click on where you have this pay with, just click on it. And then you see all the cryptocurrencies you can use. So you can see USDT, USDC, MNT, TON, BTC, ETH, XRP, BNB. So these are the cryptocurrencies that you can add to your funding wallet if you want to use on your ByBit card. Now, the next thing you'll be seeing is where you have points right here. So if you click on point, these are points that you can get when you use your ByBit card. So when you use your ByBit card for any transaction, they give you points. Now, right now, I have 0 points right here. But if I want to know how much 1 point is worth, just click on where you have this reward point. If I click on it, at the bottom side of the screen, you see where it says 10 points per USD. So that means that if I have 10 points, I have $1. That's the meaning. So 100 points will be $10. That's just the meaning. So for every transaction you do, you'll be getting points right here. And once you get your point, you can use your point for different things. Now, if I scroll up right here, you see that one of the things you can use your point for is to buy cryptocurrencies. So you can see right here, you can buy $10 BTC for 4,500 points. You can buy $10 ETH for 4,500 points. You can buy $10 SOL for 4,500 points. And if you keep scrolling, you will see other cryptocurrencies that you can buy with your points. And also you have other expenses like Uber UK, which is £10. That's for 4,800 points. You have Spotify UK for 1 month subscription, which is 4,800 points. You have Spotify France, which is 6,000 points. You have Spotify Netherlands, which is 6,000 points also. So you'll be seeing different expenses that you can use your points for. So you can see that it has so many advantages. Now, if you come right here to where you have this manage, if you click on it, now this is where you can be able to freeze your card, delete your card, terminate your card, or report your card as stolen. So you can see where it says freeze right here. You can decide to freeze your card. So in case maybe you think some people have the details of your card, you can come here and freeze it so that nobody can use it. And if you click on where you have more right here, you can reset your card PIN. You can also report your card as being lost or stolen, and you can terminate your card. So you can do all of these things right here. So let's come back. Now, there are two good things I love about the ByBit card, and it is the auto cashback, which I've talked about, and the auto savings. Now, these two things will be automatically turned on once your card is approved. So this auto cashback means that you'll be getting a percentage discount on every expense you use your dollar card for. So let's say, for example, you are getting 10% cashback, like I said earlier. If the expense you are paying for is $100, that means that you'll be getting $10 discount. That means that you're only paying $90 for that 10. So that's the auto cashback. So it will be turned on. Now, the second one is the auto savings. Now, for this one, it means that any money you have in your ByBit card, even if it's idle, you'll be getting interest on that money. I can see right here, I already have $5 on my money right here. So if you click on it, you'll be seeing the interest you are getting. So for USDT, I'm getting 6.95%. For USDC, I'm getting 8.11%. For MNT, I'm getting 2.5% and so on. So if you scroll down, you'll be seeing the percentage you are getting for all the cryptocurrencies in your ByBit card. So that's everything about the ByBit card. I've shown you how to apply for the card. I'll show you everything you need to understand about the card. I'll show you what you can use the card for. Now, the reason why I'm being detailed like this in this video is that I don't want you to be confused when you start creating your card. Maybe you think you'll get something and you don't get it. That is why I'm being detailed and showing you everything you need to understand about the card, because I'm sure some people will not check the FAQs. They'll just go ahead and create the card. I will not know the things they need to understand before creating the card. That's why I explained all of the FAQs and all of these things I've explained in this video. Now to the part you have been waiting for, which is how to get the $300 bonus on the ByBit card. Now, as you can see on the screen, ByBit is currently running a ByBit card campaign where they are giving out 10% cashback with the ByBit card. So if you are using the ByBit card, you'll be getting 10% cashback. And this campaign is ending on the 31st of March. So that's why I'm bringing this to you very early so that you can take advantage of this. Now, how will you participate in this? Now, if I scroll up, you see where it says how to participate. Follow these simple steps to unlock your 10% cashback reward. Now, the first step is to apply for a ByBit card, which I've already shown you in this video. Just go back to where I talked about how to apply the card and go ahead and apply for the card. Now, once you've done that, the step 2 is to deposit at least $100 or its equivalent after card application to qualify. So once your card is approved, just go ahead and transfer $100 to your funding wallet, which will automatically be in your ByBit card. So the next thing is to spend your ByBit card and earn 10% cashback. So you can use your ByBit card on any supported platform, which I've explained earlier, and you can get up to $300 for new users or $150 for existing users within the first month. So if you create the card today and you get approved today and you spend some amount of money within the first 30 days or the first month, you can get up to $300 bonus if you're a new user, and you can get $150 bonus if you're an existing user. And the only way you can qualify for this is if you create an account on ByBit with the link in the description below or the link in the pinned comment below. But if you're an existing user and you created your ByBit account with my link or with my referral link, then you can also take advantage of this and get this bonus. So in case you don't have an account, go ahead, create an account, follow the steps in this video, get your ByBit card, and you can take part in this campaign to get some money for yourself. And also, aside from the money you are getting, I've also talked about the advantages of using the ByBit card, and I think it will be useful for anyone who has so much interest in crypto. And before I go, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Just ask any question you have about the card. I'll be replying to every comment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.